Viewers can be your followers, and followers can be your loyal customers. And as a social media manager, it is our job to bring those people in. Hi, I'm Shara Obligar. I'm a freelance social media manager, and I'm working with different clients across the globe. And you know what? Whenever we have client as a social media manager, we always direct posting. We don't optimize, we don't auditing. And that's the problem of being a social media manager na hindi nag-optimize at hindi nag-auditing. Reason why those followers hindi natin nako-convert into customers. And it is very important that to bring those people in, to let the audience know that our business is existing, to increase our brand awareness or to increase the brand awareness of the business of your client. We want to grow our TikTok profile, but we don't even do the optimization and the auditing on TikTok. So, previous video, I have discussed on how to do the auditing on Instagram and how to get client on Instagram and how to do the auditing in your account on Instagram. And right now on this video, we will do the auditing, optimizing the profile on TikTok. So if you are someone who has the business on TikTok or want to grow your TikTok account, this video is for you. Let's go. Why is it important to optimize or audit our account in social media, especially on TikTok? It is because TikTok is a great platform to discover your business. And once people discover or aware about your business's existing, we have to take advantage of that momentum that will make those people follow us, and those followers can convert into customers. And right now, I'm gonna show you how I optimize my profile on TikTok, on how I bring those viewers into followers and followers to loyal customers. So here's the step-by-step on how I optimize my TikTok profile, which I want you to remember as well for you to do it to yourself or to your client. Let's go. First step is the profile picture. Very important that first impression matters. A clear, professional, or niche relevant profile picture builds trust. So here on TikTok, I am creating content about social media management. Reason why my profile picture is I am holding a laptop. That means it is related in social media management or about doing laptop or work from home, something like that. My tip in profile picture is if you're a personal brand, use a quality headshot. Or if you're a business, use a clear or recognizable logo. Second step is the username or the handle. It is very important in username, it should be easy to remember and searchable. Use keywords related to the niche or industry if you want. Avoid numbers or special characters unless necessary. Make it simple, very clear. So I am using my name because I am representing my business or my brand. But if you want, feel free to use Shara Obligar social media tips that will make people remember you or know you or aware that you are sharing social media tips. Third step is the display name. This one. It is important here. It should be easy to remember as well, searchable, and optimize it with keywords. If you can see some creator, they have Shara slash social media manager. Shara slash content creator, UGC creator. You can use keywords related to your niche or industry, just like what I've said, the social media manager. So if you are social media manager, just put your name slash social media manager or organic social media manager. That's what the other creators doing to make their account searchable. And avoid numbers or special character unless necessary. So instead, Shara123, just put Shara social media manager. Use terms your target audience would literally search for. So for example, I want my target audience here on TikTok as social media manager. And those social media manager is searching social media tips. I'm gonna make my username Shara Obligar, or let's say Shara social media tips, then I'm gonna put my display name Shara slash social media tips to make my profile visible to those audience that are searching social media tips. Of course, very important, the fourth step is the bio. Here on bio, it is important that drives traffic to external platform as well. So what I mean by that, if you have website, if you have portfolio, or if you have a link that you want people to check about you, make sure put it here. Don't forget the CTA. I have here my email just in case people want to contact me through email, and my call to action to make people click link in my bio, which is our fifth step, which is the link in bio. But before that, let me discuss the bio or the fourth step. Make sure the bio is clear and concise. Include value propositions such as helping small business grow on TikTok, something like that. But me, I just put business owner and freelancer because I want people to get to know me that I'm a business owner and I'm a freelancer, which is as a social media manager or here on TikTok, I am targeting freelancer or want to be a freelancer and a business owner as well. So you can put here helping business owner grow on TikTok or helping business owner to grow in social media, something like that. On your bio, what is your purpose or what will be your target audience benefit from you? And again, the call to action. So I have here the call to action, which I emphasize free SMM resources. I only emphasize the free because people loves free. Walang bayad. Sino ba naman nga aayaw? Libre na nga naman yan. If my content go viral or nakita mo sa FYP, mapapapunta ka sa profile if you want to get to know me. Which is, tingin ka sa ibang kong content, but before ka pumunta sa mga content ko, makikita mo muna yung bio ko that I have free resources for you, social media manager. Kaya, ang tendency, mapapaklik ka sa link and bio, which is our fifth step is the link and bio. Dapat yung link and bio mo is nabubuksan yan, hindi yan nag-error, or dapat active talaga siya, or dapat is madali siyang maintindihan ng audience mo. So, my link in bio, whenever you click this, is like this. I just created this on Canva and feel free to create your own on Canva as well. As you can see, I have here different buttons that you can click once you click my link in bio. So, join the giveaway, access my free resources, work with me, grab your copy of your SMM templates, grab my social media strategy summary. So those are the templates that I am offering for social media managers. So you will see everything here in my link and bio. If you want people to buy from you, create a call to action that will make people click your link in your bio. Step number 6, highlighted content or pinned contents. As you can see, I have 3 pinned contents here. Makikita mo 10K views, 240K views, and 14,000 views. Usually kasi ang ginagawa natin, kapag may nag-viral tayong content, pinipin natin yon. Actually, I have viral content. Let's see what it is. This one, reach 4 million and reach 700,000 and any more videos na madaming views. Pero hindi ko yan sila pinin. Bakit? It is because that doesn't reach my goal or achieve my goal sa audience ko. Here, reason why pinin ko to, it is because I am offering social media summary that will make people buy my summary template about social media strategy. That will let people aware that I have social media summary that I am offering. Here on TikTok, we are able to create a playlist as well. If you reach 10,000 followers. I created this playlist for those target audience that really having difficulties on becoming a social media manager. I organized this in more easiest way for them to learn to become a social media manager. So for you, SMM with client, or if you want to grow your client's business, or if you want to know some strategy that I am doing, this is for you. But if you are aspiring social media manager and you are always asking how to become a social media manager, this playlist is for you soon to be SMM, and other playlists that will answer your question, because I just created this playlist because people are always asking me,
questions. So, I organized this para mas madali nilang mahanap sa content ko because ako as a audience, hindi talaga ako magbabrowse hanggang ilalim just to watch all of your videos. I want a spoon-feeding video for me to understand who you are and how I can trust you. That's why I created a playlist. So, if you have 10,000 followers here on TikTok, I suggest create a playlist that will make your audience binge watching your videos para mas makilala ka nila at para magkatiwalaan ka nila.
Step number 7 is the hook.
As you can see, all of my content, may mga hook yan sila. Kasi people will not click your content if those hook is not visible. Yang mga hook na yan that will make people click your video and watch it. So, I suggest create a hook na sa tingin mo interest at makakasolve ng problems audience mo.
And that's how we optimize our TikTok account to make your viewers becomes your followers and followers converts into loyal customers. And this is the common mistake that the social media managers doing or even businesses or even content creators here on TikTok is they are skipping keywords in the bio or even in the hook, in the caption, in the hashtags, or sa display name. Second common mistake that they are doing is hindi quality yung kanilang video or yung profile picture nila. So, profile picture is very important because dyan natin makikita yung first impression talaga ng isa sa mga profile na tinitingnan natin. Kasi, syempre, hindi natin nakikita, for example, nakita natin sa FYP yung content nila. Hindi natin makikita kung sino ba talaga siya kung hindi tayo pupunta sa profile nila at makikita agad natin yung profile picture. That's why your profile picture, it has to be high quality at talagang kitang-kita yung mukha mo, nakatiwa-tiwala ka talaga on this platform. Third common mistake is not checking the analytics. Analytics, it is like the message of the platform or the algorithm na, okay, ito ang gagawin mo, ito dapat ang hindi mong gawin. Kasi si analytics, it is like a messenger. Ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng ano yung content na dapat mong i-post kasi yun yung gustong makita ng audience mo. So, analytics, kailangan marunong ko talaga magbasa ng analytics. And to tell you, I love monitoring the analytics. So, doon ko nakikita on how I can improve my content and what kind of content my audience wants to see para yun yung i-post ko. Kasi in creating a social media, you are not posting for yourself. You are posting for your audience. Kasi yung audience mo lang ang makaka-achieve ng goal mo. Kaya always think of your audience. Gusto ba tong mapanood ng audience ko? Or gusto ba nila tong makita? Makaka-benefit ba to sa audience ko? Ifa-follow ba ako ng audience ko dito? Kasi our social media goal is it is either increase followers, increase brand awareness, increase the sales. And yung audience lang natin ang makaka-achieve nun. Kaya post content kung ano yung gusto ng audience mo by monitoring or checking your analytics. Those are the common mistakes that creator or social media managers doing on their account on TikTok, and that's how we optimize our account. Optimizing and auditing your social media is the first step to do as a social media manager before growing the account. These are the steps that very simple but effective. That's why right now, start optimizing your TikTok profile using those steps that I have discussed. And if you want to dive deeper into freelancing and social media management, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you on my next video on what you should do after optimizing the Instagram or TikTok account of your client. See you there.